Hey everyone, hope you're having a great Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own pattern vinyl. So what you'll need is just a small piece of, just to test it out, of white Oracle 651 vinyl and some alcohol ink. I have this set Sublime Green, Tranquil Blue, and Intrigue, like a pinkish. And then I also got this alcohol blending solution. You don't necessarily need this, but it is helpful to make your design look kind of neat. And then one other thing you might want is just like a piece of paper towel or just a random piece of paper or a cotton ball or something of that sort to kind of dab your ink around. So let me just grab that quick. I forgot to get that, or a piece of fabric. I don't know if I said that, is fine too. So I am grabbing a piece of fabric right now. Okay, so what you're going to do, and you want to start out with this clean slate. You don't need any sort of primer or anything on here. Just gonna go ahead and dot some of your colors. And I've seen some really cool patterns that people have made using a blow dryer. So once they get all their ink on here, they literally just take a blow dryer and blow dry it so the ink kind of like smears. And that's kind of what this alcohol blending solution does. But it just kind of gives it, you know, a little bit of a different effect. Kind of make a cool little pattern so it makes it a little green. And my vinyl is a little bent, as you can see, because the green is coming down, but it made this kind of neat turquoise color right here. So just go ahead and dab your ink, and I can go ahead and show you what this blending solution does too. That kind of blends it up too. Makes it look kind of neat. You gotta kind of experiment with this kind of stuff, because now if you do it with the wrong colors, it could look kind of ugly. So you want to know what colors you're putting together and such. And you can go ahead and add some more if you want. I'll add a little more blue. There we go. And you can see the blending solution actually taking it, which is kind of neat. And 651 vinyl is very, very porous, so it's just soaking right up into there. So that is what it will look like when it's done. And obviously you're going to want to let it dry before you cut it on your Cricut, but you can just put this on your mat and use your Cricut and cut it just like you would a normal piece of vinyl, and it'll turn out pretty neat. So I thought I'd share that with you. Great way to use some of your alcohol ink if you have any, and making your own vinyl, like colored vinyl like this, is so much cheaper than buying pattern vinyl, because you can spend a good $5 per 12 by 12 square in some cases, and a piece of vinyl like this you can get as cheap as 50 cents for a 12 by 12. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day.